What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy, APE Crypto, and today I'm giving you another update on my own project, Nerds and Virgins. Loads of exciting stuff has happened in the last couple of days, and I have some huge announcements for you. But before we do that, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, especially if you're into CNFTs, because I believe this is the #1 channel for this. And also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT for daily CNFT news, discussions, and CNFT giveaways. So you definitely want to be following me there. Okay, so what's been happening in this last week, since I last covered Nerds and Virgins on my channel? The biggest thing is our Discord launch, which I've been teasing for a couple days now, and you lot have gone mad for it, with huge engagements on both posts teasing it, and now it is finally happening. So by the time this video comes out, the Discord will be public, and this video right here is how I'm going public. I couldn't think of a better way to do this, and I'm really happy to share this all with you watching this video. So by the time you're watching this, the Discord will be live, and I'll leave the link in the comment section and in the description. I'm really excited about this, and I'll be in there all day, every day. So if you're watching this video, and if you're a fan of my channel, and you're a fan of my Twitter, make sure you enter this Discord. This is going to be wild. So the Discord dropping is obviously very huge, and I really think we can build a great community very quickly. But what's been happening this week, other than the huge Discord drop? So I've actually struck a partnership with Benson, who is another YouTuber who's doing his own CNFT project in Cardano Club, and we've collaborated to give away an NFT. And we plan to continue to do this more in the future. So if you don't know who this is kind of a big deal. Benson is a popular YouTuber. I'm talking 171,000 subscribers, and he's one of the most respected names in the Cardano community, and we've happened to strike a partnership with him, which is amazing, and I look forward to seeing this continue to grow, and I wish him success on his own project, Cardano Club. We have also been featured on CNFT Radar. They made this beautiful banner for us and then posted it on their site as the featured project, and as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. So thank you to the CNFT Radar team for putting me on your great website and for making this graphic for me. Shout out to Paradox Designer for making this. It's really clean, and I'm glad to be on your website. And so after we go public with our Discord, we'll shortly be soon on When CNFT, which is huge because this is one of the #1 tools that people use to find NFTs on Cardano. We'll also be listed on multiple other sites, so stay tuned for that. We're really trying to be on the ball with loads of marketing and promotion, because as you know, that is really important for the growth of a CNFT project. So on my last update of Nerds and Virgins, I touched on the website progression, the art progression, and the team briefly, and I'm going to go further into that today. So in regards to the website progression, everything's looking quite nice, the theme's looking good, and it's actually really funny, and I'm looking forward to that going public. I can't give you an exact estimated time of arrival, but it's within the next 2 weeks, I believe, and I can't wait to show you guys. So far, it's looking very clean. In regards to the art progression, all the sketches are done. We're just adding the final touches now, so you should be able to see them in the next 2 weeks as well. For now, you're stuck with our base character, but when the art gets fully completed and the art gets generated, you will be able to see all the traits that we have, and some of them are hilarious. From headwear to eyewear, facial features, to clothes, to hand props. We've covered everything, and we almost have 100 attributes, which are all unique and all original art. So stay tuned for that. From what I've seen from the previews, these are looking excellent, and they really are funny, and it really fits the theme of Nerds and Virgins. So I touched on our team before, but I'll go into more detail for it now. So as I said before, we were APE Crypto Ventures, who are a team that specialise in NFT drops, dApps, stake pool operation, and other cryptocurrency ventures on the Cardano blockchain. I'd like to dive into their experience a bit more and explain why they are tremendous. So APE Crypto is a company that consists of 3 members who specialize in end-to-end website and minting for all Cardano NFT drops. Their team possesses a combined 40 years of experience in full stack, web developing, and AWS hosting. APE Crypto also run a successful staking pool on Cardano based in New Zealand, and they have worked on Rhino Generation, Cardano Kiwis, Buttworks, Cardano Aliens, and EXNFT.io, which is a marketplace that allows users to auction trade Cardano NFTs, with Ergo support coming, which is launching this month. So keep your eyes on that. It's safe to say that APE Crypto Ventures and the team behind that are well versed to help me for my project, and I couldn't think of anyone better to help me. Everything they've done looks extremely clean and has been extremely smooth, so I'm very proud to have them by my side. So it's not just Moa that's on our team as well, we also have Christian, who is the founder and creator of Cardano Kiwis. He has 8 years in UI and UX designing and front-end development and has experience in both branding and marketing, and he is a true nerd and virgin to the core, and I'm very proud to have him on my team. Also, keep an eye out for Season 2 of Cardano Kiwis. So as you can see, I built a strong, reputable team so far, and I'm really glad to have them. They're professional, they are experienced, and I believe they're very capable of getting the job done. I have high expectations for the professionalism of my project, and I believe they'll match that. Another thing that I'd like to touch on is the growth of the official Twitter account. We've got over 3,000 followers, and the engagement for some of my posts have been off the charts. The support has been crazy, and I'm loving every minute of it. And I expect that to continue to grow when the official Discord drops. You guys have been going crazy for it, and I expect the Discord to be crazy as well. I really do think this could be a wild Discord, and it could be huge as well. But not only that, I plan on making this a safe space, and just a great spot where our community can shine. We've already got D&K in there, who's another crypto YouTuber, and we've also got Jack Ingram in there before we've gone public. They've given me positive feedback, my team have given me positive feedback, and we're ready to go when this video gets released. I can't wait to see you guys all in there, so come in, say hi, and support this project. In here, you'll see details about our team, and you'll also get a peep of our roadmap. This is just written in the Discord, and we don't have the graphic yet, and it's not 100% confirmed, but this will give you an idea of where we're heading. We have a professional team, a huge roadmap planned. We're taking this very seriously, and we want to be one of the top CNFT projects. So come into our Discord and see for yourself. I'll leave the link in the description and in the comment section for you guys. The support has been surreal, and I can't wait for this to continue to grow, and I can't wait to build a solid community. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys are as hyped as I am for my own project, and I really hope to see you guys in the Discord. If you've got anything to say about my project, we are open-minded, so leave a comment in the comment section below. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of the Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.